Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is raka permana with student ID 2025-32005. I'm an information system student, and right now I want to explain my practicum report. Okay, let's head up to the Excel. Okay, this is my database data that I have. This one is data from my report of practicum before. So this is the one, but we adding the new table in here because in the practicum report, the question is they added the new data in here, so it affects the amount of data in here, and it affects to the frequency, of course, and other thing. But I've changed it first, so I'll make some median ME in here, and the formula of ME is the lower class plus an upper class, and they both are divided by 2. So yeah, I just drag it down in here. Look, take it down, and this one, or the ME times frequency, or the medium times frequency, is just the formula is a frequency, medium we have in here in the data, and medium in this data times the frequency in here, and I just drag it down. And if you want to search for the U in here, or the utilities in here, how we find a number 0 in U in here. The first one is we have to look it up to the table of frequency and search the greatest value in this, and the greatest value is at 22. So we just add this row, yeah, the number 2 row is a 0, and if we want to search for an upper and lower, we just want to a negative 1 if you want to have a upper in here, and we just added 1 into the lower until number 7, or amount of class. So same as here, if we want to search for U times frequency, we just want to add this U in here and times frequency in here. So just drag it down with the formula, and don't forget to sum all of these things, and this is the amount of U times frequency. So the second one, I'll make this table in here. This table is mean, median, and modus. So I'll make 3 of these things. So the first one is median, or the average. The average, we have two different formula. The first one is we gotta sum the MIFI in here. We have sum in MIFI, all this data in here, and we sum the frequency in here, or the amount of data. Except we sum, or amount of frequency is the same amount of data. So yeah, and the formula of mean or average is we're gonna put some value of some MIFI in here divided by some frequency in here. So the next one is x0. So the first one, we're gonna search for the 0 in here. If u0 in here, we want to add some mi in here, or the median in here, and equal to the u and value of 0. So yeah, we added this value in here, and u average of u is and some MIFI of amount of u times frequency divided by frequency, and this is the amount of class. Weighted class. So the formula is xo plus average u and times 13, or the white class. The second table we make is we have class median, or the median is the median is a medial value. Class of median is 42. So from an amount of data times divided by 2, and this is lower class in here. We just want to lower a real lower class. Is the formula of a real lower class is a lower class in here, which is the 42. We have a 42 in here, so the 42 in frequency cumulative less than is a 42 in here, right? So we just add it into this one, and the 42 in here is and equals in lower class in here. So yeah, the real lower class is a lower class in here. We just negative 0.5, and FKS, or frequency cumulative before that is just 42 then before that, and frequency medium is just and same amount same row in frequency is 12. So the class is the same, the C is the same as this one, and the formula is a TB in here plus medium class negative FKS divided by frequency median and times y of class. The third table in this is modus. What is modus? Modus is frequently occurring values. The first one, we want to search for TB, or lower class in here. The real lower class is a lower class and negative 0.5. So we want to search for frequency first. The frequency in modus is the most values in frequency in this data. So it's the most values in this data is 22. So and equal in the row is a 15. So a 15 negative 0.5. A D1 is just a value of a frequency, a negative 8, and the D2 is a frequency in here. The most frequency in here is negative in the lower. So the white, this is the white of class, and the formula of these things is a real lower class plus a D1 divided by a D1 plus an D2 and times C. So that is, and this is the third table I'll make. So the first one is quartile, decile, and percentile. The first one is quartile. Quartile is we have to divide this all of this data time divided by 4, and the decile is this data will this data divided by 10. So percentile is divided by 100. So this thing is the same, but the difference is divided by 4, and this is divided by 10, and this is divided by 100. So I want to explain it one, because all these things have a same formula. So the first one is Q, quartile. So I have the question is I'm gonna have a 1 quartile, and this one is I have a 6 quartile and 77 percentile. This one I have a 6 decile. This one is I have a 77 percentile. So the class of quartile is just 1 divided by 4 times an amount of data. So this is 21. So we search for a 21 in frequency cumulative less than. So 21 is less than 13. So we use this frequency, and we just want to lower. We want to search from real lower class. This is or 15. Just the formula of real lower class is negative 0.5. The frequency before that is 8, and frequency of quartile is in 22. So this thing is equals the row of frequency 22, and the white of class is 13. The formula is a real lower class plus a class of quartile negative frequency before that, and we've got it divided by frequency of quartile and times of 13 in here, or the white of class. And we have same formula in the seal. Look, we have just like 6 divided by 10, and class of percentile is divided by 100. But the rest of them is the same of this. The formula is the same in here, the same as 2. So okay guys, that's it for me. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.